In this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 video content mistakes you may not even realize that you're making that unfortunately aren't getting you the reach and the results that you deserve. Keep watching till the end, as number 5 is the most critical. Thanks so much for being here. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that bell, hit the subscribe button, then hit the bell to be notified every time I post a new video on how to better your business through social media as a realtor. I myself have been making video content for years, and because of it, I had consistent leads coming in the door because of the video content that I created. But along the way, there was a lot of trial and error and some mistakes that I definitely made. Let me share with those so you make sure that you don't do the same. Number 1 is posting too much generic content or not showing the true self that you are. Social media, on there you need to be showing the behind the scenes, you need to be showing who you are, and you need to be building your brand. And the only way you can do that is by showcasing yourself. Therefore, if you're posting memes and quotes all the time, there's no face behind the name. People can't get a feel for who you are. They don't know your personality. They know nothing about you. All they see is this generic content. That turns them off. They don't get a good feeling to know whether they even want to deal with you or not. Years ago, there was a reason that people went to real estate offices to interview realtors and get to know them, because they get a feel for who they are, what they're about, what their mannerism is. People buy from people, and like-mindedness attracts. And in order to showcase who you are, you can do that through social media, but you need to be showing yourself, not just your quotes. You can do this through stories, you can do it through posts, through reels. So much great potential. But yes, number 1, do not be posting generic content all the time. Number 2 is not providing value or posting too much about real estate. As realtors, we get caught up in the sales aspect and we think we need to sell, and always be putting out content about our listings and our open houses and price drops and yada, yada, yada. That does not work. That, again, is just being too salesy, and it turns people off. You need to showcase your community more, do restaurant reviews, park profiles, neighborhood profiles. Showcasing your community, again, this is showing who you are, it's showing your personality. You're giving good value to your audience because you're giving them good information. And in return, they're going to remember you, they're going to love you for it, and they maybe down the road want to use you as their realtor.
How did you get so darn good?
Practice.
It's magical. It's a mystery.
It's practice.
Number 3 is ignoring trends. There's a lot of trends that come up through the social media world, and as realtors, we always want to ignore them because we're like, something new again that I have to learn. I don't have to deal with this. I'm just going to focus on what I've been doing, keep doing that, and that's good enough for me. Fine. But unfortunately, you're going to be missing out on a lot of opportunity because this is where a lot of people grow. So whether that be a new social media platform or a new trend that's happening on that platform, you need to jump on it because that's where you're going to get a lot of attention. Right now, when I'm talking Instagram, far more reach than anything else is Reels. Instagram is putting a lot of emphasis on the Reels, and they're putting more of a push on them. So when you post a Reel, it gets far more views and engagement than any other post that you can do on Instagram. So instead of sitting there and being like, Instagram, I can't do Reels because I can't dance and I'll never do them, so I'm just going to do a regular post. You don't have to dance. You just have to, again, be putting yourself out there, show who you are, give good information through these Reels, maybe do a quick reel with quick little snippets of a park, something like that. You can do it, trust me. That's where you're going to gain a following. Now, again, why is Instagram putting more emphasis on Reels? It's because of another platform called TikTok, which is gaining a huge amount of attention and has actually recently overtaken Google for the most visited website in the world. So again, as a realtor, you can be like, TikTok is stupid, it's childish, I'm never gonna get on it, and I'm just gonna wait until it passes. Guess what? A lot of realtors said the same thing about Facebook. They said the same thing about Instagram. And now if they could look back and go and be like, 15 years ago, I really wish I would have had a Facebook page and I would have got on there and grown my following, because it would be a lot bigger now. It was a lot easier to get attention back then, and as time goes on, the algorithm changed and it gets trickier. Right now, all the attention is on TikTok, and it's very easy to get attention on TikTok. Get on there, start posting videos, hit up that trend. If you post, now I know this is gonna sound crazy, if you post at least 4 videos a day, you're gonna see your account grow. I've just started testing this. I've been guilty of it. I need to get on TikTok, so I did. I'm starting to post at least 4 videos a day, and I'm noticing my account grow. You can take snippets from other videos you've done, put them to your TikTok, figure out how to do this. I know you can, but it's just another one of those trends you're not going to want to miss out, because 5 years from now, you may be kicking yourself wishing you had started today. Have you been making any of these mistakes so far? Have you? If so, comment below and let me know. Number 4, not using the description or hashtags. I've seen other realtors that I follow, especially on Instagram, where I will see a post and there is nothing in the description and there are no hashtags at all. The only reason I was able to see that post is because I follow them. Therefore, if they're wanting to grow their following, unfortunately they are not going to, because A, there's no description, so people don't even know what the heck the post is about, and it makes no sense and it confuses people. And B, there's no hashtags. As I've explained in some other videos I've done on my channel, hashtags help you to grow because you can get found. People can search out hashtags, and when they search out a hashtag that is in your post, they're going to see your post. Therefore, you need to have hashtags in there. I recommend 30 because obviously the more, the better chance of you getting found. The other thing is your description. Maybe you created a reel or you did a post and all you did was just post that photo or that video. You didn't put any text on it, nothing, and the video plays and people are going, what the heck is this even about? I don't get it. What are they trying to get at? It makes no sense to me. Therefore, you need to have a purpose behind your videos, a message that you're trying to give out to your audience. Therefore, make sure you have your titles on there. You have, if you see a reel and you see different text popping up that's explaining stuff, if you go watch any of my reels, you'll see what I'm talking about. You need to have those on there, and then within your description, what you're trying to get at or what this video actually means. Otherwise, you're gonna turn your audience off and they're just gonna think either you're crazy or lazy and maybe unfollow you.
Think of things. Come on, brain. Think of things. Come on, brain. You're so smart.
Number 5, I said this one is the most important, and I was not kidding. This one is consistency. You need to be consistent. If you are not consistent, everything that I just told you is gonna fall apart. So you could be making none of these mistakes. Number 1 to 4, maybe you're not making them at all. You fail on number 5 and you make number 5 as your mistake. Number 1 to 4, doesn't matter if you're not making those mistakes, it's all gonna fall apart. If you don't have consistency, you're not staying top of mind, people aren't seeing you all the time, they're gonna forget about you, they're gonna unfollow you because you're not providing value. Therefore, you need to keep consistency and you need to keep posting all the time. So, correct number 1 to 4 first, make sure you get those in line, and then after that, start posting consistently. Post once a day. I like to choose Monday to Friday. I leave the weekends for my family time, but I still post on my stories so people still know I'm active and I'm doing stuff. And again, it shows people the behind the scenes of what I'm doing, so it really works great. But if I was not to post at all, unfortunately, I could have grown my account to what it is today. And if I stopped today, basically a week from now, people will forget about me. They won't come back and they won't search for me. It's just, I'm done, I'm gone. You need to keep putting stuff in the feed so that you keep popping up on people's channels and they're reminded of you. So please, please, this one is the biggest one out of all of them. You have to have that consistency. So now you know the things to avoid when creating your video content, but maybe you're wanting some actual ideas to create content. If so, you're gonna wanna click on the link in my description below. In there, I have my free guide. best things to post on social media as a realtor in order to guarantee the growth of your leads. And when you're done here, don't forget to watch my prior videos that I've done on real estate content marketing. And if this was beneficial, please do me a favor. Give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and share with your fellow realtor friends.